the POE consists of both agency buildings and non-agency buildings. The agency buildings function to ensure that the shared crossing between US and Canada is safe, secure, and efficient. And these would include all the facilities that are run by CBSA and CFIA. There's also the non-agency buildings, which will be used to maintain and operate the facility, and these is run by WDBA and Progeco, and will include the WDBA offices, Progeco offices, the operations center, maintenance building, the toll operations center. And the agency buildings include the main building, the secondary inspection building, the large-scale imaging building for inspection of commercial traffic, and the client processing center. So some of the facilities within the Canadian border crossing includes obviously the primary inspection and secondary inspection facilities for travelers and commercial vehicles coming into the country. As well, one of the main principles of the design was creating a healthy workplace environment for staff and the users who come to the building. So for example, maximizing natural light and views to the outdoors was a very important principle that we kept in mind as we designed and planned the facilities. There are a number of staff facilities that are located within the main building, including a staff lunchroom with an interconnected outdoor staff patio space, a secondary staff break area, locker rooms, a wellness facility, as well as training facilities that will not only be used by the staff who are working at this crossing, but from other crossings as well. So one of the features of this border crossing facility is that there's one main building that houses both the CBSA operations and CFIA operations, as well as WDBA and the Progeco offices. With this combination of all these different agencies in one building, it promotes collaboration between the different agencies. It makes the operations more efficient. It provides for long-term flexibility and allows for safety of staff who are working at this facility rather than having separate facilities for each component. Yeah, so the one other critical criteria as we were planning and designing the POE was anticipating the long-term growth and flexibility for increased travel and trade crossings between the two countries. So the site has been laid out and designed to be able to accommodate 5 additional commercial primary inspection lanes, as well as a second bay for the large-scale imaging building for processing of commercial vehicles. There's also flexibility that's built into the design. For example, the primary inspection booths on both the commercial and the traveler side have bi-level booths which are able to accommodate processing both commercial trucks as well as passenger vehicles. So this provides flexibility in the case of any incidences or emergencies that may occur in the POE or unexpected volumes of traffic, that we can reallocate or stream the traffic to different primary areas and still be able to process vehicles coming through with minimal disruption. Gordie Howe International Bridge is one of the largest border crossings. We've obviously had the opportunity to work with a variety of agencies, including WDBA, CBSA, CFIA, as well as multiple consultants. There's been a lot of technical issues that we've had to be able to resolve, as well as understanding the functionality of the different agencies and maintaining safety and security for all of those who are going to be using this border crossing facility. So it's been a great experience being able to collaborate with people from various backgrounds and disciplines in order to create this exciting new project that will be a great facility for the crossing between Windsor and Detroit.